Welcome to Globe Motors Blackburn, the premier RAC approved used car dealer in the Northwest. Every vehicle we offer is carefully selected, professionally prepared, and comes with complete peace of mind as standard. All of our cars are RAC approved, meaning each one undergoes a full 82-point RAC approved inspection carried out by our own RAC approved technicians right here on site. Every vehicle includes 3 months RAC warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover, and is fully HPI clear for your confidence. We take pride in delivering quality vehicles that you can rely on, with preparation standards that go above and beyond. At Globe Motors Blackburn, it's not just about selling cars, it's about making sure you drive away with total confidence. Here we have a lovely, extremely low mileage example of a 2013 Range Rover Evoque 2.2 PureTech finished in Fuji White. This Evoque has only covered 35,174 genuine warranted miles, which has been fully verified by VOSA and HPI. And it also comes with full service history showing 16 stamps. The service history indicates that it's had a Cambelt and water pump replacement at 30,000 miles, along with an extensive service at 32,864 miles, including the gearbox service, transfer box service, and diff oil service. But on top of all that, a free oil and oil filter service will be carried out prior to purchase, as well as a brand new MOT, all carried out by our RAC approved engineers here at Globe Motors Blackburn. Specification highlights include mobile phone fast charging, Meridian surround sound, touchscreen system, satellite navigation, Bluetooth with Bluetooth audio, cruise control, electronic handbrake, dual zone climate control, ambient interior lighting, automatic headlights, daytime LED headlights, heated front leather seats, electric front seats, driver memory seat options, electric folding mirrors, front and rear parking sensors with parking aid alert, paddle shift controls, and 19-inch alloy wheels. Also included are 2 remote central locking keys, 1 former keeper as stated on the V5, 3 months RAC nationwide parts and labour warranty, and the full 12 months RAC breakdown cover, giving you the absolute best peace of mind. If you're looking for a vehicle that has been prepared to the highest standards, then this is one not to miss. Here at Globe Motors Blackburn, all of our vehicles are displayed in our purposely adapted indoor showing room, allowing you to view all of our stock comfortably, whatever the weather. We offer a full range of finance options tailored to suit you, and every vehicle is presented by our RAC approved team, ensuring the highest levels of quality and preparation throughout. If you're not local, we also offer nationwide delivery and can provide a full remote walkaround via WhatsApp, so you can view the vehicle in detail from wherever you are. For more information, to reserve this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, get in touch with our team today. Globe Motors Blackburn. Quality vehicles prepared properly.